70 scenes, one question: is flying still the safest way to travel? From crosswind battles to silent engines, discover the truth behind the scariest moments in the sky.
Welcome to the world of aviation anomalies. While the footage you are about to see may look intense, statistics tell a different story. Is flying still the safest mode of transport? According to the International Air Transport Association's 2023 report, the industry accident rate is incredibly low, with one major incident for every 1.26 million flights. Mathematics confirms you are safer in the air than driving to the airport. So why do incidents happen? Data from Boeing suggests that nearly 80% of aviation occurrences are attributed to human factors rather than machine failure. But what about the autopilot? It is a sophisticated tool, not a replacement for judgment. When systems engage unexpectedly or sensors provide conflicting data, the pilots must intervene instantly. The conflict between human input and computer logic remains a critical area of modern flight training. Weather is the sky's unpredictable variable. How do pilots land in zero visibility fog? They don't rely on their eyes, they trust the Instrument Landing System, or ILS, which guides the aircraft via radio signals with pinpoint accuracy. What about turbulence? While uncomfortable, it virtually never compromises the aircraft's structure. Wings are engineered to bend far beyond what nature can throw at them. However, microbursts and wind shear are different. These are sudden, powerful downdrafts that can change lift instantly. Detecting them early is the key to avoidance. Can a bird really stop a jet engine? Yes, a strike into the turbine can disrupt airflow and power, as seen in famous water landings. But if engines stop, does the plane fall like a rock? Absolutely not. Every aircraft becomes a glider. From a cruising altitude of 30,000 feet, a standard jet can glide for nearly 100 miles. Physics keeps it flying, giving pilots time to find a landing spot. Let's address the myths. Can a passenger open the door mid-flight? Physics says no. The cabin pressure pushes against the door with thousands of pounds of force. It is mechanically impossible to open it at altitude. What if lightning strikes? It happens roughly once a year to every commercial jet. The fuselage acts as a Faraday cage, conducting electricity around the outside, leaving systems and passengers safe inside. And finally, the safest seat? While no seat guarantees safety, Time magazine's analysis of FAA data suggests that middle seats in the rear of the aircraft have historically lower incident rates.
Holy crap.
You often see planes abandoning a landing at the very last second. This maneuver is called a go-around. To the untrained eye, it looks like a panic reaction or a failure. In reality, it is one of the safest procedures in aviation. Whether due to a blocked runway or unstable wind, a pilot who chooses to go around is prioritizing safety over schedule. In aviation culture, a go-around is never a mistake. It is a badge of professionalism. Pilots are never truly alone in the sky. Every move is orchestrated by air traffic control. These controllers maintain a strict separation standard, keeping aircraft miles apart horizontally and thousands of feet vertically. When you see a busy airport in our video, know that it is a choreographed dance. However, miscommunication remains a risk. Modern aviation is now implementing digital text communication to eliminate accent barriers and radio static, ensuring that instructions are read, not just heard.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay.
We should have brought that ice block.
Whoa! Oh, man.
Finally, how do we learn from these anomalies? The answer lies in the black box, which is ironically painted bright orange. These devices record thousands of parameters and cockpit audio. They are engineered to survive extreme heat and impact forces far beyond human tolerance. Every incident captured on camera or recorded in data is analyzed to update global flight manuals. In aviation, every lesson learned is permanently written into the code of safety, making the next flight safer than the last.
Ебать! Пиздец, развалился нахуй! Ебать!
English. You will notice scenes where the aircraft approaches the runway sideways, looking completely out of control. This is actually a deliberate and skillful technique called crabbing. When facing strong crosswinds, pilots point the nose into the wind to maintain a straight path toward the runway. It requires precise coordination. Just inches above the ground, the pilot must kick the rudder to align the nose with the center line. It looks terrifying from the outside, but inside the cockpit, it is pure physics in action. Why do planes sometimes slide off the end of the runway? It is rarely about bad brakes, but rather a phenomenon called hydroplaning. On a wet runway, a layer of water can build up between the tires and the asphalt, causing the aircraft to skate like a hockey puck on ice. To combat this, modern jets use anti-skid systems similar to ABS in cars, along with spoilers on the wings to dump lift and push the wheels down for better grip. Friction is the only thing standing between a safe stop and a runway excursion.
Nie! 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 Nie!
Don't miss out on moments like these. Subscribe now. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Check out the videos on the side for more, or dive into the playlist to watch them all.